Do you want a hard folding truck bed cover that will give you full bed access without removing it? Check out the BAKFlip G2. This is the original hard folding truck bed cover, and it will support 300 pounds evenly distributed across the top. It has a flush fit that's even with your bed caps to give you an ultra low profile, and the semi-gloss top surface is made of aluminum. It's designed to shelter your cargo from the weather, and it channels excess water out of your bed through drain tubes. With a dual action rear seal, you can open and close your tailgate without lifting the cover, and you can close the cover on top of your closed tailgate. But to open the cover, you have to first lower your tailgate, so if that's locked, the cargo in your bed will be more secure than if it was locked inside the cab. If you want to haul taller cargo, you don't have to remove your cover, just fold it back. Pull the cable on either side to retract the latches and fold the panels toward the cab. Here you can either secure the panels with the included straps if you want to drive with your bed partially covered, or you can fold it all the way against the cab for full bed access. Setting the prop rods in place will allow you to drive like this, and the cover will also protect your cab from shifting loads. Closing your cover is just as easy. 3 of your panels have latches that will automatically engage the rails as you fold them toward the tailgate. The BAKFlip G2 is made in the USA and comes with a 2-year warranty. We ship it for free to the lower 48 states, so if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online. Well, if you found that helpful, make sure you give us a like. Also, subscribe to our channel to keep up with our new projects and builds. And make sure you ring that bell if you want to be notified every time we come out with some new content.